Cut the fat, simplifying your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, cut the fat. It's a phrase you might hear in various contexts, from business meetings to personal development sessions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. Cut the fat is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of removing unnecessary elements from something. The fat, in this context, doesn't refer to the literal meaning associated with food but rather to superfluous details or excesses that make something less effective or efficient. For example, when editing a written document, cutting the fat would involve removing parts that aren't essential for the message or the story. In business, it might mean streamlining operations or reducing expenses to increase profitability. The origin of cut the fat likely comes from cooking or butchery, where cutting away the excess fat from meat makes it leaner and often considered higher quality. This visual and practical origin helps convey the idea of trimming off excess to improve the remaining substance. Using cut the fat in a sentence is easy once you understand its meaning. It's often used as a directive or a suggestion. For instance, we need to cut the fat in our department to meet our budget goals. The first draft of the book was good, but it's time to cut the fat and make it great. Notice that in both examples, the phrase is used to indicate improvement through reduction. While cut the fat is often used in business and writing, it can also apply to personal habits and activities. For instance, if someone is trying to be more productive, they might cut the fat by eliminating unproductive habits or time wasters from their daily routine. That wraps up our discussion on the phrase, cut the fat. Remember, using idiomatic expressions like this one can add flavor to your language and make you sound more like a native speaker. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel confident using cut the fat in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to trim the excess from your English. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.